Here we have a 69 plate BMW. Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330D XDRIVE M Sport Plus Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £9,000 worth of optional extras, including the premium package. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the M Sport differential, the adaptive M chassis. We also have the grey metallic paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kidney grills just there. We also have the gloss black front splitter, which is part of the M Performance kit. We have the second alloy wheel just here, as you can see, once again unmarked. Side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles with the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the black roof rails. We also have the pano glass roof, which is currently open. We have the shark fin antennae, the rear spoiler as well. We also have the third alloy wheel just down there. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera and the 3D view. We also have the dual exhausts, a power assisted tailgate as well, which will open with a simple press of a button just on the remote there. As you can see, in here you'll find that we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. Storage net on the left hand side, and also on the right hand side we have the 12-volt connectivity as well. Coming back up here, if we press that button, you'll find it will close just as simple as that. Now coming back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So we also have the fourth and final alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We have the keyless entry and go, so as we get closer to the vehicle it will open up for us. We have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre. We have the M Sport style seat belts as well, the blue stitching just on the seats there as well. We have the ambient lighting on the doors, which you may have just noticed. We also have the separate climate control for the rear passengers, 12-volt connectivity and 2 Type-C USB ports. We have the storage nets behind the front seats as well. On the doors you'll find the electric windows, again ambient lighting and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. If we take a look now at the front, you'll find again the full leather interior, the blue stitching. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable and they also are both heated as well. Driver's side has the memory function just there. Electric windows to trial out for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just down there. A multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, as you can see just there, with the speed limiter and cruise control. Paddle shifters either side. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, you'll find that we'll start the car, and that we'll have no warning lights on the digital dashboard just there. The only one is for fuel, so no need to worry there. We also have the high beam assist just on that stalk there as well, so we can switch between different views on the dashboard. If we go into sport mode, you'll find it changes the dials, same with the Eco Pro Drive mode, and we can also adjust the little screen just there. As you can see, we've got a few options to go through. We also have the main infotainment screen as well. On here you'll find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have a range of media as well, such as the radio. We have the Spotify, we also have music collection, Bluetooth audio and the screen mirroring. We have the phone connectivity as well. We also have a range of apps, so we have all these apps that are currently installed. We have the Apple CarPlay just there and the Android Auto as well. Going back onto the home, if we go onto the car, this is where you'll find the vehicle status. So if we click onto there, as you can see, the only warning is for the fuel, so nothing to worry about. Go into driving information, this is where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have the settings, so if we go into the settings, this is where you find the ambient lighting. As you can see, we've got a few colours to choose from. For example, if we go to orange, you'll notice it changes the ambient lighting to orange. We also have the intelligent safety just down there. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera and the 3D view as well, as you can see just there and there. Putting it back into park though, we have the heated seats down here on either side. Ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. We have some storage space inside of here with 2 good sized cup holders. USB ports, we have the wireless phone charging, that can be closed off just like so. We also have all the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, all of the different drive modes, electric handbrake, we have the parking sensors, the auto start button. We also have a nice leather armrest. Open that up and you'll find some more storage. Inside of there you find a Type-C USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, oh yeah, we also have a heads-up display, which I forgot to mention. But that is everything now for today. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 330d M Sports Touring Sports Plus Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not at fact with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight to not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with jam-packed full of optional extras, over £9,100 to be precise. Where we can find your gesture control, we have your integrated Harman-Kardon speakers, ambient lighting, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, heated electric memory seats. Not just the driver is the memory, but the passenger is also the electric. You have the extended thigh support, you have your panoramic sunroof, and the list really does go on. If you want to know all the optional extras added to this vehicle, go onto the website where there'll be a box where you can click on it and it'll show you every optional extra fitted to this vehicle. We have your dual zone climate control screen in the centre where you can see your satellite navigation. We also have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also have 360 cameras fitted to this vehicle. We have your digital dash in front of me, which changes when you go for your different drive modes. You can also change the information on the right hand side of the screen. You have your map constantly there. The vehicle features to have dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats. You have your BMW individual trim throughout this vehicle, very nice look to this. You have your ambient lighting, goes against it very, very nicely. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. If you've been listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is a bonus when buying a used car. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and CarGurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good you have to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. In a second, I will be coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to pull up before the merchant stop, and pop straight into reverse, and you'll see the 360-degree cameras pop up, and it'll show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect it to. So, just waiting for a couple of cars to pass, and I'll be able to pull in, and I'll do a countdown from 3 when I do the emergency stop. So pulling in just now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. The left hand side you have your rear camera, and on your right hand side you have the 360-degree camera, which is your bird's eye view. Pop it into drive, it then changes to the front camera. Very cool feature to have. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.